Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start the computer numerical control, that is CNC. What is CNC? Development of digital computer. The design of NC system has changed the dramatical and has proved to computer numerical control, direct numerical control. These all are different CNC programs. So what is this actually? A computer numerical control. So it deals with the computer and machine. Okay, it deals with the computer and machine. So it stores the program computer to perform some or all basic numerical control function. So it controls the machine with functions and stores the data in that. With CNC program entered once and then stored into the computer memory. So we will write the CNC program and stored in the computer memory. We will store the program. The tape reader is used only for original loading. So the tape reader, what it will do, it takes the data from the stored say computer and transfer the loading and unloading the program and data. CNC offers flexible complexity capability. Then the machine will take that program and it will run. So what it is do here, this CNC system stores the program computer performed from the basic numerical control and then it is transferred to the tape reader where it is originally loaded the part programming and the data. Then it flexibly run the machine. Okay, what machine? CNC machine. The new system operated can be incorporated by the CNC control and reprogramming it also. So what is this diagram tells us? Tape reader. So what does tape reader do? Whichever the stored matter in the computer, it transfer from the system to the this machine by loading or unloading. Then microcomputer will be in the middle and software which that is which program we will run, that will stored in the computer from the tape reader. Then computer hardware interface the servo motor. From servo motors it will go to the machine. Like that the machine will run. Okay. So operations can be incorporated controlling the CNC machine reprogramming the units. Because of the reprogramming capacity, both the terms part programming and system control operation, CNC is referred as software NC machine. So by controlling and running this machine, we call software CNC machine. Okay, this is the CNC definition. So computer numerical control is a NC system utilize the dedicated computer to perform all basic numerics. So all basic numerics means we will write the numerical controls in machine language. Okay. Next one, functions of CNC. What are the functions of CNC? So many functions can be accomplished by CNC. They are machine tool control, in-process compensation, improved programming and operations features diagnostics. See, these are the few functions of CNC. We'll see one by one now. Functions of the CNC. First one, what is that? Machine tool. Machine tool control. What this do? It converts of part programming instruction into machine tool motion. So it converts the program, whatever we have written the program, it converts that program into machine language, that is machine tool motion. This converts is done through computer interface and servo systems. Okay, so machine tool, what it do, whatever program we have written, it takes that program and converts into machine language. Then it converts the to the computer from the servo motors. So this is the machine control. Okay, some of the complex functions like tool compensation. So machine tool compensation, what are the tool compensation? Circular interpolation, 3D contouring, etc. can be done and accomplished using CNC machine. Tool compensation means changing of the tool, circular interpolation, circular and intercircular pollution both will be there. So those all we can change the position in this. The control consists of software, computer, hardware, logic circuits. So these all it will consume. The hardware components perform the functions such as feed rate, generate and circular interpolation. So hardware generate feed rate, speed, those are the functions of the hardware. So the computer perform the remaining control functions. So computer will perform the remaining function. What are they? Taking the program and turning it into machine language. Those are the software programs. Okay. Circuit saves the computer from the performing and calculation choice, hence the less expensive computer required for high CNC control. So this is the machine control. So what is that? It involves conversion of the part programming instruction into machine language. So what is this do means it converts the program into machine language and transfer that from the software, that is conversion and incorporate and control function software into the system. From there it takes the machine, such as circular interpolation accomplished more effective in hardware. So circular interpolation, tool changing, tool removing, all those are hardwares of machine tool control. Next, in process compensation. What is in process compensation? A function which is closely related to the machine tool control is in process compensation. This involves the dynamic corporations of the machine tool motion, errors during processing, some of the in process compensation. So all this in compensation means some problems if it occurs, changing of that problems. So it involves real-time dynamic corporation errors. So while running the machine, if errors comes in motion, tool motion during processing, some features. So these are the features when the machine is running will recollect it. Recalculation of the axis position. So if any errors comes, we will recalculate it. Recalculate means so the machine will stop due to some errors. So we'll check our readings and our program how we have written. So that is recalculation of the axis position. What axis we have given? Z axis, X axis, Y axis, 3 axis. So by mistake we can, if we write instead of Z axis, Y axis, like that, errors will be occurred. So recalculation of axis position when inspection probes is locating the represents on work parts. So when any calculation mistake is gone on the work part, that is job, whatever job piece we have kept on the machine, so it will machine will run and the work will be held like that only. So for that we'll adjustment of errors sensitive by in process gauges. So we can change the errors or rectify the errors by gauges or inspection probes, offset adjustment of tool radius and length. Okay, adaptive of control adjustment for speed and feed. We can, if the speed is also more, the machine jerks and it will stop. So speed also we should carefully see it. Next, computation of tool life and selection of the alternating tooling. So lifetime of the tool will be, if a tool is very weak, then also it will holds the machine. So by seeing that also we should check the tool position. Next, temporary compensation, chatter and vibration compensation. So these all the, so sometimes the tool will be vibrate, it won't go properly. So if we won't fix properly, the tool will be vibrate. So these are the some in process compensation. Okay, so what is do? It involves real time dynamic correction of errors. So we can do corrections if any errors are there in motion tool motion during processing some features that, so whatever what are the errors, it will come recalculating of axis position when inspection probes is locating the reference on the work. Okay, tool change, tool compensation. Yeah. So all these are some rectify. So if any problems we get, we can rectify the problem in process compensation. Next one, what is that? Improved programming and operation features. So this is third one, improved programming and operation features. So what it does, enhance the user experiences by having an board detected computer is major advantages of CNC. Editing the part programming at the machine on the floor, graphic display, parabolic cubes, etc., metric and non-metric. So unit, these are specially developed in manual data input through MDI, local storage of more is. So what it do, the flexibility of the software. So what it do, the flexibility of the software control of CNC programming and operation features are, so it is the flexible operation, so it controls the software which is running. So some of the features of this are manual data input and editing of part programming at machine. It permits the correction of the part programming. So what it does, manual data input. So whatever the data we have input to the machine, that can be edited in the part programming at the machine. So we can edit the part programming while we are sending to the machine, and it permits the correction of the part programming. That way it will permit us to do the correction. Okay, manual data input and editing the part programming at machine, it permits the correction of the program. So we can do correction of the program when we are transferring the from system to the machine. Next, what it does, graphic display tool path helps to verify the tape. So graphic display, so how the tool is moving, how the tool is starting, how the tool position is going, we can see with the help of verifying the tape reader. Okay, graphic display tool path helps to verify the tape. Next one, what it does, supports more than one system of units. So it can support the more than one system of the units. So not only one system, we can support the many systems. Next, large local storage systems that having more than one programming. So if a system has many program also, it can store it. Okay, large local storage system that having more than one program, we can store many program in that machine. Next one, type of interpolation techniques, cubic, like cubic, circular, parabolic interpolation, these all typical some type of interpolation. What are some, many are there. So for example, cubic, circular, parabolic, these all are interpolation. We can write the programs if we want clockwise, anti-clockwise, like that also we can change it. Okay, so these are the different features of improved programming and operation features. Next one is diagnostics. So what is this diagnostic? CNC systems are often equipped with a diagnostic capability to assist in maintaining and repairing the system. Capability to track down the uptime, help the compensation. Next, graphic diagnostic tools to pinpoint the program and repair in quickly. A features of disconnected of faults of system. Let the machine continue without the hampering outcome to the software. So what it do, when the CNC machines are very expensive and complicated, then required well trained. So as these are very high quality machines, so we should keep the person well qualified to run the machine, required well trained and proficient person. So proficient person, so well trained person we should keep to run the machine. For maintenance also, to run and maintain the machine, we should keep high qualified person. This diagnostic subsystem has several features. What are these features? It identifies the reason. It identify the reason. What reason? What It identifies the reason for a problem and guide the maintenance person can repair the system very quickly. So it identify the reason. So the reason, what are the problems, where it is coming the problem. So it can identify the problem and maintain the person also. Which person? The operator. Maintain the person can repair the, so that the person can repair the system where the repair should be very quickly. It can do it. Then it enters the failure of certain components. So it can identify the failure of the components also. So the maintenance person can check and replace the fault component. So it also, what it also do, failure component it can be identified, and it so that the maintenance person can check and replace the component. The work repair can be done without breaking the manual operation. So the without stopping the program we can do the repair work. Okay, what this diagnostic will do, first of all the operator should be well qualified person to maintain the machine, because of it is high rate. Okay, high rate. So this diagnostic features, some features what it do, so it guides the maintenance person and rectifies the problem, and it tells to the, so that person can verify and do the repair quickly. Next, even failure certain components, if any component is also failure, it identifies, and so that the maintenance person can check and replace the fault component. If any fault component that also we can replace it. The work repair can be done without breaking the normal operation. So without stopping or breaking the running operation, we can repair and replace the tools and components. Okay, that is the work of diagnostic. So what are the features of CNC? Today what we have said, definition of CNC, functions of CNC. So there are different functions of CNC. So that we said, machine tool control, in-process compensation, improved program and operating features, diagnostics. Okay, these are the functions of CNC. So each what it does we have studied. Okay, so these are the some CNC lathe machines. For this we will write the program and send from the system to the machine. So this is CNC lathe machine. Different types of CNC lathe machines. This is one more CNC lathe machine. Okay, here we'll write the program and send it to the